Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we shall learn how to create this magic cube in Pixellab. Import your cube PNG. Lock your layer. Import your first photo, reduce its size, and place above the box. Zoom in. Then use the perspective tool to arrange and align the photo in accordance with the box angles. Import the second photo and repeat the process for the second face of the cube. Import the third photo and repeat the same process for it. Lock your layers. That's it, save your image. Results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.